Hi, I'm Rancho, Product Manager for Tuya Cobuilder. This is a desktop robot that can chat, interact, and dance. It only took me 10 minutes to build it, and I didn't write a single line of code the whole time. How did I pull this off? I used Cobuilder. I open Cobuilder and type, build a desktop robot that can have a natural conversation with me, show expressions on its screen, and control a light in my home. Start by defining the product and ask for my confirmation when a decision is needed. Cobuilder first turns the request into a product definition. At key decisions, it asks me to review and confirm before moving on. After confirmation, it clearly told me the 6 steps required to build a desktop robot. Product definition, development board selection, panel configuration, agent creation, firmware development and compilation, release. Cobuilder is more than a code generator. It brings product behavior, the mobile experience, the AI agent, hardware and firmware into one connected development workflow. Next, Cobuilder generates and compiles the firmware. The process and logs are visible, so I can see where the work is and what happened if something fails. Once the build succeeds, I connect a supported development board, confirm the detected device, and click Flash. The flashing progress and device outputs stay visible here. Now it is running on real hardware, not a mock-up and not a slide. There is no need to start all over again if you want to make adjustments. Simply tell Cobuilder, make its voice deeper. Cobuilder will modify the voice automatically and display the changes in the workspace. After I confirm the adjustments, I will recompile and flash the firmware. This is Cobuilder, an AI-native workspace for smart hardware development. Describe it, build it, run it. Cobuilder is now open to everyone. Follow the link and start building.